and Vivek. Yes.
Good evening.
Yes.
Good evening and namaste. I'm Eli Biju Bhattacharya, International Committee Leadership Chairperson. I would like to welcome you all in this Zoom meeting. Before I start, I would like to honor our respected International immediate past President, V.T. Raju sir. Welcome to our Zoom meeting, sir. Likewise, I would like to welcome our International past President, Anu Mittal sir. Welcome to our Zoom meeting, sir. I would also like to welcome our International third Vice President, Madhavan sir. Welcome to our Zoom meeting. I would also like to welcome our Sastri sir, and also I would like to welcome our Upendra sir, Nandaraj sir, Vivek sir, and how many people we are?
We are 8 numbers, sir.
Yeah, we are 8, and you all are here. Once again, I would like to welcome you all in this Leadership Institute Zoom meeting. Last time we discussed about International Leadership Training Institute, and we also discussed about courses to be offered. Now, as per our suggestions, as per our decision, we are offering diploma course. Today, we are discussing about our topics and criteria for the participants. So, I would like to request our respected International immediate past President B.T. sir to please welcome our friends and highlight our program, sir.
Thank you, Biju Bajraja. And really, your servant Madhavan is trying a lot for this. Really, I'm proud of you. And let us discuss what are the papers we have in this diploma course. I think I didn't work much on this, but I think Sastri and Madhavan and all other leaders, they might have prepared some syllabus on this, so that if you prepare any syllabus, you can tell now. Otherwise, let us discuss and add one by one.
Thank you, sir. We have received some suggestions from our leaders, like topics like, alliance fundamentals, public speaking, leadership development, team building, diversity, and some technical part and some also a skill part. So let us discuss about these topics. And I think today we have to finalize the topics. And I think it's better to announce the Leadership Institute committee has decided to offer diploma courses to all the leaders as well as newcomers. I think this will definitely enhance the knowledge and skills of our leaders, as well as it attracts new members also. So let us discuss one by one, like communications, like alliance fundamentals, like this topic. I would like to request. I think Sastri sir has done some homework, I think. So I would like to give some, because before we receive blessing from our international past presidents, I think we have to give them some ideas about our leadership institute. Sastri sir, floor is yours.
Yes. Thank you, Vijayji, for giving me the opportunity. So basically, as discussed in the previous meeting and as per the discussion held in the WhatsApp group, we decided to conduct a diploma course. So when we have decided to conduct the diploma course, we have to name the course also. At this context, I would like to get feedback from all the members of this esteemed group regarding decision of the name of the course. I think it is more appropriate to name it as a diploma in leadership.
Sastri, your voice is less, I think.
Yes, yes, very low, sir. Your voice is very low, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm audible now.
Yeah,
Yes.
now
I'm
it's
audible.
okay.
Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
Wireless,
Yes.
wire తీసి డైరెక్ట్ గా మాట్లాడితే బాగా వస్తాము.
లేదు సార్, అది ఇంకా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. I think it's I'm audible now.
Yeah, it's
I'm
now it's
audible.
okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, okay. It's audible.
Sastri, you are not audible.
Sir,
Now it is okay.
is it okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir. So as for the discussions held in the previous Zoom meeting and the discussions held in the WhatsApp group, we have decided to conduct a diploma course under our Leadership Institute. So now it's time to decide the name of the course, the diploma course. Like I would like to propose the name of the diploma to be Diploma in Leadership. So this is for again open for the discussion from the members. And secondly, as far as the subjects are concerned, it's better to have not less than 6 subjects, so that even the trainees will not feel burdened. So regarding the subjects, I would like to suggest the subjects as number 1 subject name as History of NGOs and Alanism. And the reason for us proposing this subject being, we should, as a part of the NGO, of which is premier institute, premier organization of India, we should have some thorough knowledge of other NGOs also. And we should have some legislative knowledge regarding the NGOs, like how the NGOs are being managed, how they are being administered legislature wise. That is the main motto in proposing this course. And second thing, as said by the Baiju ji, as leadership development, and third subject can be commercial communication skills, and fourth one is the team building. And these are the 4 subjects which I have decided, like which will be more appropriate for running the diploma course of under the aegis of our Leadership Institute. Okay, now this is for open discussion, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Sir, I am adding some more points. I have just now I noted, earlier I didn't prepare anything. One is communication and public speaking. One paper should be there. I think Bizu, you also can note down.
Yes, please, sir.
Public communication and public speaking, we can keep one paper. Protocol.
Protocol. Okay.
Protocol, one paper. Delegation.
Delegation.
Next is motivation.
Okay.
Using information technology.
This is also important.
Next, just now Sastri told leadership.
Yes.
Leadership and leadership. Next one is constitution and bylaws.
Sir, I think we can combine both constitution and protocol in one subject, sir.
No, sir. Constitution bylaws is a larger one.
Okay.
Protocol is a small part.
Yeah.
And history, indoctrination about NGOs, about alliance. Indoctrination about alliance. And Sastri also suggested team building. That is also good. Team building. Everything will come under leadership.
Yes.
But we have to give separate. Everything come under leadership only. But each paper should be we should go in detail. Team building, we have to go in detail. Public speaking, we have to go in detail, how to speak, and we have to conduct some practical training programs. Addressing the people, we have to give subject and address them, how they are addressing, and taking feedback from the examiners and correcting them like that. Similarly, delegation and motivation. information, using information technology. That is also very important. What type of information technology they can use in leadership? Maybe using email or the Facebook or Messenger or Zoom, like that. What are the techniques they can use? That is also we have to see. Constitution bylaws. These are the topics so far as per my knowledge. So we let us have opinion of other friends also. They may add some more subjects.
I think Rupendra sir has also
Anup ji?
asked this about it.
Publicity, sir.
Anup
Yes,
One
Anup sir.
chapter
Anup
is
also there.
publicity. We can add how to publicize in the, how to communicate public.
Image
Sir,
image
image
building.
building.
That is
In,
Image
image
building.
building, sir.
Yes,
Then it
image building.
is image building.
image building, okay.
Image building. Any other suggestions, sir?
Rupendra sir,
Already you covered all the points. Already
Yes,
you
sir.
covered all the points.
Yes, I'm listening. Yeah, the most of the contents has been already covered. We have enough contents. So last time
And we
had,
can, sir, we can add the administration structure also. We can add administration also here.
okay. And
Yes, yes.
I think administration structure comes in protocol, no sir?
Administration comes,
of HO.
it's a separate chapter, separate. It is
Administration
very
is
vast.
separate chapter. Protocol is okay. Administration means magazine, web, Facebook, and website. Okay, we'll see. First, we'll point out, then how to reduce, or we can add to one or two topics in one area. Yes. Next, sir. Other friends.
Rupendra sir,
okay, there is. I think there is nothing to
Yes,
add.
sir.
Yeah, there is enough contents. So when we had a meeting with BG sir and in our team, some contents like leadership, communication, and team building, public speaking, that we can assist in these contents. So these all has been already covered. So in the part of this, we can contribute. Yeah, all there.
Sir, what
we have
about
so
time
many
management,
contents
sir?
here.
Time
Yes.
management.
Yeah. Last time we have already discussed about time management also.
Time management also important. Sir, mock meetings, we can keep mock meetings.
Oh, yes, sir. Certainly, sir.
Sir, I think that will come under the protocol, sir.
We'll see, sir. First, we'll Right.
We can club protocol and mock meetings.
protocol will that is theory subjects, sir. Mock meeting is a practical one.
Okay, sir.
Both we can
Okay.
add protocol and mock meeting like that. Okay, mock meeting, new subject has come, time management has come, image building has come.
Okay.
Financial part also include, we can include financial
sir?
part. Financial part we can.
Financial part.
Financial part.
That is, I
Okay.
think it comes in the administration and management of
Yes.
yes, administration.
In
and
this will come, sir, administration of HO.
administration and
yes.
management.
Mhm.
I think we can propose one topic on the permanent project, sir.
Permanent projects. Administration of HO and districts, like that we can do. Mock meeting, permanent projects. Next, sir. Already 14 topics have come.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let's divide, sir, two ways. One is a technical part, like, constitution bylaws, administration, and one is a skill development, like leadership development, like public speaking, presentation skills. These are the skill development.
Publicity, everything will come in under image building, sir.
Image building, yes.
Yes.
let's give them only 6 to 7 topics, sir. Like, you know, Shastri said,
This we can,
Club, sir. We can club, sir.
we can club some topics
Yes, yes.
and we can make one 6, 7 subjects.
Yes.
so this time we are conducting in Zoom, no, sir?
What, sir?
We are offering them in Zoom, not in physically.
Now, physical meeting, now it is difficult, no, sir.
Yes, yes. That's why I'm saying.
Now, because this virus, now we don't know whether we international convention also will conduct physically or not now.
Yeah, it seems difficult.
Last year also we faced the same problem.
Yes, sir.
We postponed from February to May 1st.
May
Even then, Corona didn't come down last year. But this year, in the next coming board meeting, we have to discuss about this. Anupji, any other suggestions?
I already give you the suggestion, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. I think Senthil Kumar just now joined.
Yes.
Yeah. Sandy Kumar, sir. Welcome,
Sir,
sir.
Senthil Kumar, already we planned some subjects like this: public speaking and communication, protocol, delegation, motivation, using information technology, leadership, constitution and bylaws, indoctrination about alliance, and team building, image building, administration of HO and districts, time management, mock meetings, permanent projects. These are the topics so far came to our knowledge. Do you suggest any other subject?
Sir, good evening to all.
Good
Are
evening,
you
sir.
hearing, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So already is maybe in the international event, I taken some of the areas, particularly technology, information technology, about the fundamentals of internets and Zoom, like that. Of even we can go for the cyber security. Today the threat, another threat is cyber security also.
So detail you can go later. First of all, we are fixing
yes.
the subjects.
Just
So-
this
so-
this will
so
come
you
under
are-
information technology.
So, sir, now what we have to do in this,
This
we have to
can be
prepare
covered
the
in
subject.
administration. When administration part of come, this can be covered. All IT sector, other sector, other website, Facebook, this we can cover in administration.
Now you prepare the syllabus, sir. Senthil Kumar regarding information technology.
Yeah.
You prepare the syllabus. Now you have decided area. In that detailed syllabus, you have to prepare.
Yeah. Just what is the minimum hours? What is the minimum hours we can plan it?
No, we can conduct to 5 or 6 or 10 classes. But after that, testing should be there on this. Some practical should be there, theory should be there.
Okay.
See,
So
simply,
I will make.
sir, simply giving lecture, no use. So whatever they learn in this class, they have to do practical.
Sure.
That also we have to test.
Yeah.
But too much depth also not required.
Okay.
See, what is required for a leader? Too much knowledge, the very depth knowledge in information technology not necessary. Basic tools, what are the tools they have to use here?
Yes, like, you know, practical classes, we have to conduct it for 6 hours, like, you know, in public speaking, 6 hours, because we have to give them one more also.
Sir, for each subject, we keep 6 hours.
No, sir. Not important, because some are, you know, like a technical part, constituted bylaws, we don't have to give them a practice session. No, because we have to just give information to them. So like, you know, public speaking, we have to give them homework also. I think every day you know, we conduct the 2 hours.
No, I suggest
So
for each
for
subject,
public speaking, I think 3 days, 2 hours, we will give them homework also.
Sir, I think depend upon the subject, we can fix the timing, sir.
Yes, exactly.
Some subjects may require more time.
Okay, sir.
Some subject
No, practical also, sir, I suggest
require more time, like,
for
you
each,
know,
I suggest like this, for each subject, 5 theoretical classes, 5 practical classes.
Yeah, it's maybe a 50-50 or 60-40.
Yes, 5 this, the practical, see, theory always we give lectures. So they will just listen and go. Practical means they have to show it.
Like in the form of assignments.
Hmm.
Even they can submit, we will review and give.
In the Zoom, okay. Suppose
Zoom
public
itself we
speaking.
can decide, sir, what is there? Yes.
We'll ask
also
them to
okay, you
speak.
know, we have
No,
We're
Zoom.
gonna have some time to speak, sir.
yeah, Vivek sir.
So my suggestion will be to put a one chapter like fundamental, LE fundamental, where we can categorize as all the things we can put together, like history as said by leaders.
And that
History
is,
of
sir,
alliance.
that is we are covering in indoctrination.
Sorry, sir. Like
We
can
have
put
put subject indoctrination.
where we can like membership fees and all that, member motivation, responsibility of the schooling clubs officers. Can we put that also? Like responsibility of secretary, treasurer, presidents. So this is also, I think, important.
Yeah, it is. It all comes in induction, I think.
Okay.
There is subject of induction.
Sir,
Okay.
sorry
Like
for
cost of
interruption. Sorry for
cost of
interrupting.
membership fee,
Sir.
like cost of membership fee and how to become LE members. I think
That
we
is, sir,
can.
detail will go, sir. We'll go details. For each subject, we'll have 5 theory classes, 5 practical classes.
So we can put all this in the fundamental, LE fundamental, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
So I request Biju sir,
Yes, sir.
let us assign one subject to each person or committee members. They prepare this syllabus.
Okay, I will start from myself.
Yes.
I will prepare for public speaking, sir, because I have conducted so many public speaking classes, and you know, I have a little bit experience about conducting.
So you prepare syllabus for a public
Yeah,
speaking and communication.
yes,
Okay,
I will
sir.
prepare. Okay, I will prefer for public speaking and communications. And
Okay. Others, sir, you come out. Biju Bajracharya, public speaking and communication. Any other people?
Sanskrit
Yeah,
can
can-
take-
Information
Sanskrit can take
technology,
something, sir.
Team building.
information
Team building
technology,
and
Senthil Kumar, you prepare.
Sir, I go for LE fundamental, sir.
Alliance, indoctrination. Indoctrination.
Intention who, sir?
Vivek,
Vivek, okay.
Vivek will take indoctrination
Indoctrination.
about alliance. Yes.
Okay.
Then
I think,
Okay.
I'll
I
take
can
up time
contribute on,
management, sir.
team building. Rupendra.
Time management.
Sastri
Time
will
management.
take time
Time
management.
management.
and Rupendra sir will conduct prepare for
Team building.
team building.
Team building, who, sir?
Rupendra.
Rupendra.
Rupendra. Rupendra will take
Rupendra.
team building.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
Sir, I'll take up this delegation also.
So Sastri will take delegation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have to prepare the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Then for each subject, we choose faculty later.
Okay.
Okay.
First, we have to prepare the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Sir, our internal president is joining, sir.
Sir?
Internal president is joining now.
Okay, okay. We'll brief. Next, what about the other subjects, sir? Protocol, we will ask Pankaj or Anupji, what you prepare?
Sir, I will take part in administration.
Administration. Okay. Anupji. And
Good evening.
good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening. Good
sir.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, Nathanji.
Sir, constitutional bylaws Anup ji है और boss है कुलदीप सिंह है.
Bylaws, constitution bylaws, I think Captain Kuldeep Singh will cover.
Okay.
The constitutional bylaws is one of the toughest subjects.
Or VM Rao also can cover.
Kuldeep Singh and VM Rao.
Sir, I think we'll give one more, we'll assign one more, another subject to VM Rao ji, sir. Because the constitution, Kuldeep Singh ji is authority.
VM Rao will give protocol, sir.
Okay, sir.
We'll ask him to prepare a syllabus for protocol. So motivation is there. Next, image building is there. Mock meeting is there.
But
Permanent
mock
projects
meeting and
is
all
there.
you can take, sir.
Sir?
Mock meeting and all you can take, sir.
Okay, myself, I take mock meeting. So, motivation and mock meeting, I will prepare.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry to disturb you all. Once again, namaste. I'm Biju Balsari. I'm a leadership committee chairperson. Now we have our respected international president, Engineer Avinash Ori, sir. Welcome, sir. Thank you very much for coming to motivate us and also encouraging us. So we are talking about subject of diploma course. Last time we discussed about our institute, and today we are discussing about the topics to be offered to our LE members. I'm sure that this will definitely help our LE members to enhance the knowledge and skills of our institute, and also it helps us to attract new members, sir.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Because I have a physical meeting at 8 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
I'm there. So kindly spare me, and I can say a few words if you permit me, and thereafter I have to leave.
Yes, sir. We are here to hear you, sir. We require your blessings and suggestions, sir. Thank you, sir. Please.
Yeah, yesterday I talked to you that I have a meeting at Jalandhar.
Yes, sir.
So that is physical meeting is started just now. What I've taken 10 minutes from them. So all the leaders are there. VT Rajuji, Anupji, and BM Rao and other leaders are there. Mathivanji is there. So they will discuss with you everything regarding the Leadership Institute. So I can only say that this is a institute which will help us to train our leaders, because today we don't have any institute of leadership. So I can say that a step taken by Ali Bharjacharya ji, that he is going to start a meeting at Nepal, institute at Nepal. So my congratulations to and our preparing all the, I heard BT Raju ji is preparing all the agendas for the leadership and different projects. I have seen that he is discussing with the leaders. So these are the subjects which we have to take up in the leadership form. So my congratulations to Nepal leaders that they have taken an initiation for starting this leadership institute. And whatever the help they require, we all leaders from India will definitely help the Nepal for establishing a leadership institute. As it is very important, and I came to know that they are going to give diploma certificates, etc. also. So it's a very, very important leadership institute. So I can say with the confidence in the coming time, it will definitely help us to train our leaders, as well as it will, you can say, increase our image in the society. So when a leaders are fully trained, they will work in the districts and multiple, and they can train on other leaders in the coming time. So this is what I have to say, that we have to work together for this thing. As you know that our AACI is growing very, very fast these days, because it is the fastest growing association of the world. And we can say with the confidence that in the coming years, in 2-3 years, we will be more than 1 lakh members. It can only be possible if we have a trained leader, those who can train the leaders for the club, district, and multiple. And they know what they have to do and what their actions to be performed in the different field. So that will definitely help us to have a more leader day by day. So my congratulations to Nepal leaders, and as immediate past international president B.T. Rajuji is with you, and he is a very, very, you can say, convergent with the leadership institutes. So like that, Anup Mittal is also, you say, can help for this institute, as well as our B.M. Rao and Mathivan and Pankaj. All they are the assets for the this institute. So lastly, I have to only say that we are with you, and we will work with you, and we will definitely train the leaders. And this is the first institute at Nepal. Thereafter, we will have in every multiple leadership institutes, so that every multiple should train their leaders in their subjective multiples. So this is what I have to say. My congratulations to you. I am here in tour of Punjab. Today I have just in the morning a meeting with the district 222N, and you can say they have given today 4 LMF, and they have promised for another 10 LMF, as well as clubs. They are going to give 2 more clubs, and there will be 17 clubs of 222. Now I'm going to have a meeting with the largest district of our India, as well as outside, district 1 to 6. And now I have to have a meeting with them regarding this, and I'll definitely discuss with them for the leadership institutes, because they are also time to time having a Marlo programs, as well as other leadership programs. So I congratulate once again, and I wish you all a happy New Year 2022. All my colleagues should enjoy this Happy New Year, as well as they will work for the Association of Alliance Clubs International. thank you all the leaders. Wish you all the best, and I'll take leave of you because the meeting has started. So I take leave of you. Thank you.
Worry, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is not only for Nepal. Actually, we are planning for the entire international.
Okay,
we
sir.
at the entire international, we conduct the training programs. Last time, all our leaders, they told, first let us start with the certificate program, one certificate program. So
Okay,
in
sir.
one certificate program, we are planning around 10 subjects. For each subjects, we may take 5 classes, theoretical classes, 5 practical classes. And
Okay, sir.
and after passing, we see their performance in these classes. After seeing their performance, we'll give the certificate.
Okay, sir.
So this we are planning internationally. Now we have
Okay.
decided some subjects. And in the subjects again, now we are assigning to various leaders here to prepare the syllabus in each subject.
Okay,
So by
sir.
next meeting, they prepare the syllabus. Then we will come with good booklets about the subject that can be used entire world.
Okay, sir. Okay,
That's
sir.
what we are planning.
And it's a very good project, and I think it will definitely give us more leaders,
Yes.
which we require, because
Yeah.
we are short of leaders.
Yes.
And in the coming time, when this institute will work, then we will have more trained leaders. So I think you are doing an excellent work, Rajuji, and we are with you always, sir.
Because last time core committee told me, since then I am on that job, and almost now with another meeting we'll come to a final conclusion.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Syllabus for each subject also we'll prepare. Now we are giving various subjects. They have to prepare the syllabus now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So I'll take leave from you, sir, because it's all the meeting is going on over here, 1 to 6.
Yes.
So I'll take note of all these, whatever you have said it, and I'll contact you
Yes.
after 2 days, and then I
Yeah.
have full information regarding this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
sir. Thank you.
Convey regards to 1 to 6, all the ladies.
Yes, sir. Definitely,
Yes,
sir.
okay.
Yes,
Definitely.
sir. Rory sir, pass on our felicitations to all the leaders of Punjab.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Because I am visiting all the district,
Yes, sir.
4 district of Punjab. So I'll convey your message, sir. Okay.
Thank you. Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.
On behalf
Thank
of
you.
I would like
Thank
to
you,
thank
sir.
you for your blessings and valuable words, sir. Happy New Year to you too. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, Alu, Viju, thank you. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Biju Bhadracharya next.
Yes, sir.
Madhuvanan, you have not taken any subject on Madhuvanan?
I'm having more work.
You take some subject.
Okay, you search me, sir. Can I take this time management?
Time management, Shastri told.
Okay.
Yes.
Mathivanan should attach with Sanital information technology website. It should attach with him.
Yes.
I think has been given to our Sendil, sir.
Sir, I think permanent projects and image building, both we can
Image.
take up, sir. Image building and permanent projects.
Permanent projects also we can. Image building we are giving to Pankaj, sir.
Pankaj, okay, sir.
So permanent projects we can give it to
Okay.
Madhuvanan.
Mathivanan.
Okay, sir. Madhuvanan.
So we
So
are left
on
with,
this on this subjects we have to prepare the syllabus.
Okay.
sir, we are left with one topic, sir, leadership.
Leadership, almost leadership is there. Shastri, you are preparing for see, suppose each subject now we are preparing syllabus. Depend upon the syllabus, we take 5 faculty, 5 classes, 5 faculty. Maybe from JCs or Lions or Alliance like that. For each subject, we take 5 faculty from different areas. Maybe academicians, like that we'll take. So first of all, these people are to prepare, not for giving lecture, they have to prepare the syllabus.
Syllabus.
Later we
What
choose
are-
the faculty.
Yes, sir. What are the topics to be covered under each?
In this,
subject?
we have to prepare.
Yes.
So I prepare for mock meeting and motivation. I will prepare.
Yes, sir.
I think Biju, have you noted, sir, these things?
Yes, sir. I know. Communication.
Madhivanan, shall I
Yes.
read again?
Yes, sir. Biju is allotted with communication and public speaking.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Chandral with IT. Vivek with indoctrination.
Yeah.
Samsri with time management and delegation.
yes,
Rupendra with team building.
yes, sir.
Pankaj with image building. Anu Mittal admin. Kuldeep Singh constitution. BM Rao protocol. And BTR mock meeting and motivation. And myself permanent projects.
So we have to prepare syllabus
Yes.
for each subject 5 hours.
Yes.
Yes.
One day we may have 3-4 subjects, but each subject we have to prepare 5 hours syllabus, 5 hours practical.
But this permanent project, I think, would require 5 hours and 5 hours of practice. Is it necessary?
Sir, in that very topics
Sir?
will involve what topics? Topics in permanent projects will involve the trust as well as the society. These kind of topics also should be covered in
Yes.
that.
No, permanent projects mean what type of permanent project we can
Yes.
start, how to raise funds and how to conduct the projects and what
And,
are the sources
format-
available.
Formation of society and
No,
trust.
Today, I am very glad for Lions Cancer Hospital in Visakhapatnam. Actually, I am a trustee in the Lions Cancer Hospital. My friend became GM in LIC. So I know her from the beginning. She sanctioned 25 lakhs to our hospital. Because of my contacts, she sanctioned 25 lakhs CSR funds to Lions Clubs International, Lions Cancer Hospital in Visakhapatnam.
Great,
So
great.
I know her since officer. Now she became GM. So like that for Alliance also, if there is good project, running project is there, we can get CSR funds. How to get CSR funds? So what are the organizations available? And how to get the funds? All the things will come under permanent projects.
Yes.
So if each faculty prepare the subject and we can discuss that syllabus, and if any further we want, we can add also in the next meeting. So this faculty, they have to plan for 10 hours subject. What subjects we have?
5 hours subjects. 5 hours theory and 5 hours practical.
So I think we have to finalize our criteria for participants also. I
That
think,
we'll do,
the-
sir.
the-
First,
we
if you
can
prepare
invite,
this,
uh,
then we'll give general message to enroll. Once we finalize everything,
Okay,
and we can give the syllabus and ask the participant to enroll. Attendance is compulsory. They have to attend all the classes and they have to listen our classes. And in the practical session, we conduct a question and answer session or assignment session that they have to complete. Then only they will get the certificate. Simply if they attend, we don't give certificate. They have to pass in all these subjects. They have to get the minimum marks.
I think it's for president and above the president level. No, sir?
Yes.
It's not for new.
Whoever
members.
interested, first we will open, sir. Whoever interested, we'll ask them to register.
Okay.
Shall we keep any fees, sir, for this?
For Zoom,
No, sir, no, not required.
No, no required.
Only participant are required.
Yes,
Fees
yes,
is not required, sir.
yes, yes.
Yes, true, sir. Because it is in Zoom meeting, I don't think that we have to charge for them.
We have to say the, what is the results they have to produce for getting the certificate. How many marks they have to get, how many classes they have to attend. These rules also we have to prepare.
We have to make one application form also.
Yes, we have to make an application form.
We will choose from.
We have to design an application form.
Sir, I think the criteria should be decided by the candidate, whoever wants to wish to appear for the this training program. They have to get them sponsored from the district governor. I think that would be better because
Yes.
the governor also will be knowing about what's happening in the leadership
Yes,
institute.
yes. We'll ask them, sir. Then once we get the number of participants, then we take batch wise, each batch some people. Not all people will limit to one batch, 30 members, 40 members, 25 members. We'll complete one batch, next we will take another batch like that.
Should
We
be
got
limited,
In
sir.
our application form, we have.
It should be limited, only
six-
5-6 members.
No, not 5, 6, very 25 batch we can take, I think 25.
In the application form, we have there should be one signature from.
No, sir, one batch we can take, I think 25 participants.
Yeah, 25 is.
If you take more people, na practical class will be difficult. Theory, okay, no problem.
Sir, even 25 will be more, sir. I think
25 will be more.
We should restrict to 20
Sir,
only.
my advice is should not be more than 10. Then it will give the
More than 10.
Yes.
give the you see the potential. Then it
Exactly,
gives the competition.
Yes.
We can concentrate more on the persons.
Okay, then.
No, sir, we have to accommodate almost more than 20, I think. Between 20 to 25 is okay because
No,
more people.
generally for 20-25 for a class teaching is good.
Yes. More learning opportunities will be there, no?
Sir, we can frame like this. I think in my suggestion would be like we can get the sponsor, the candidates from the eligible districts only, the districts who are having more than 5 clubs.
Okay, that will leave it to the, okay, we'll see, sir. That also we'll see.
See, that criteria should be followed, sir. Otherwise, there's no point in taking even persons from.
Sir, our counter is here. So let's.
Districts are having 5 clubs, are not less than 5.
Yeah, minimum 5 clubs should be there in the district. From each district, 2 people.
No, let us take one initially, sir.
Initially,
Then-
one member from the district.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And they should be serious.
Yes, sir. Nagaraj, sir, any suggestion from your?
They should be seriously attending. Just if they give name, they don't attend the classes. That is not at all good.
So how to
Up to 10 is
How-
very few, sir. Very
how
few.
to check the seriousness, sir? How to verify the seriousness?
No, we see, sir, attendance will see.
That would be attendance and all that.
We note down attendance and the recording will be there in this. And they should not be, they should have video, they have to come, just not owning and going. Zoom, they on and see some other work, they see their office work, there's no use with them. They have to listen, we observe that. Faculty will observe. We conduct systematically, sir, then only it will be useful. If you give it like general lecture, no use. Some people will come, some people will go, will give general lecture, there is no use.
So, sir, how often we will do this program, sir?
Hmm.
Once a year or twice a year?
No, it is a regular program, sir.
Every month,
Regularly, we conduct this program.
every month, sir.
Once a month.
One batch, if again people either first batch, second batch, third batch, like that we go. First we'll give 25 people. Once we finish this batch, they will take another batch.
So we'll go like
It depends upon the enrollment, so we can keep on go.
1 month.
Sir, we can get to know much better once we start for the first batch, so that so many
Yes.
modifications we can make during the course
First
of time.
batch we'll see, sir, how many people will come. And it is limit to one member from one district. First batch.
In first batch, there will be a high competition. So
Competition
we
will be
can
there. That
modify this.
person will be recommended by the governor.
okay,
Sir,
so
we'll
we can
take
modify the syllabus.
what will take. We don't take from the governor. We'll take governors and vice governors also. We don't take governors and vice governors in this batch.
Sir, we have separate training for.
First batch will see, sir.
Sir.
I suggest like this. RC, cabinet secretary, cabinet treasurer, RC and ZC.
Sir, I think,
One class, one batch.
Sir, I think VDG 1, VDG
One batch, I suggest like this. One batch from the PSTs. One batch, cabinet secretary, cabinet members, cabinet secretary, cabinet treasurer, ZC, RC. Is it okay, sir? You suggest.
So my suggestion would be first batch would be like BDGs or BDGs only.
DG, VDG,
BDGs
also
only.
we can
not
take
BDGs.
one batch. See, it depend upon DG, VDG, we can take one batch.
Sir, anyway, this, sir.
We
sorry,
want to see, we cannot take as a participant DG, VDG and president. See,
Yeah.
DG, VDG lessons should be separate, somewhat fine. They are somewhat, already they have some leadership qualities. Their teaching may be different. So
Yeah.
we can start three, in such a case, three batches. One is DG, VDG, and another was is cabinet members, RC, ZC, cabinet secretary, and cabinet treasurer. Third batch is PSTs.
Sir, in that case, let us start the first batch with VDG, sir, so that
Hmm.
they'll be in the forefront of
Then
administration next year.
suppose VDG is there, then what we do, one subject we can add duties of DG, VDG. Similarly, duties of cabinet members. If president class, president means the duties of president, secretary, treasurers.
Yeah.
That subject also we can add to that.
Yes, sir, based on the batch members.
It depends. So we'll ask the governor to send three names.
Right.
One is vice governor's batch. DG also will include, sir, in that.
No, only BDGs, sir, maybe.
VDG,
Because
not DG.
BDGs, not
VDG,
sir.
VDG one
BDG has
batch.
the quality.
Sir, we'll take VDG one batch and cabinet members one batch, PSTs one batch. Three batches we can start simultaneously, but classes will be separate.
Sir, I think with this framing of program, we have to run 3 batches at a time.
Three batches, yes, we can run.
So I don't think it will be. I think it will be. I mean, it will be tiresome, sir, to run 3 batches at once,
Sir, we will not run everyday class for them.
sir.
At least it will take 1 month for a batch.
So if that is the case, let us start the batch with only vice district governors. The first batch
First
exclusively.
certification batch,
First batch will be confined to only VDGs.
VDGs.
So yes, sir. And next batch we can go for, as suggested by you, we can go for cabinet members.
So
Secretary and
we'll
treasurer.
also get an idea.
Yes, sir.
Meantime, we'll get an idea. We prepare the subject. We'll update.
And we can get the feedback from the participants.
Feedback also. Accordingly, we can change. Okay, sir. Biju, sir.
I think, sir, we have to, separate these BDGs. So
Hmm.
that's for diploma course and it's open for all, so that, people will get more attract to
Not
our.
audible, sir, your voice.
I think this one is a separate course, so this one diploma course,
Yes.
and this open for all members. VDG's batch is a different one, and also cabinet officers are different one, and president's PBST is different topic. So this one is a diploma course. So we are offering to all LE members. So we should have some separation. It should be there, like this diploma course is offered for all LE members.
Yes.
New members also, and but we don't give prior to new members, but we give prior to those people who already finished their tenure as a presidency. I think president and above presidents are allowed for this course, diploma course.
Shastri, you unmute, sir.
The minimum qualification, the minimum eligibility to participate in the diploma course, I think we better to prescribe the RC regional chairman level, sir. Regional chairman and above.
PhDs, we don't give to PhDs.
PhDs anyway, the PhDs training will be held by given by the district
No,
governor,
this is, sir, this is a certificate course.
Sir.
We want to train every level of leaders.
So, sir, let us start with the first program, sir.
First
So,
program limited to vice governors.
Yes, sir. Then later on we can incorporate all the leaders from other levels also.
In future, we can give members also later.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So let us start with this vice district governors.
Yes.
Bejoji, basically the training program is the diploma is open for all LA members.
Yes.
But we are confining ourselves to this particular first batch to vice district governors.
VDGs.
Only VDGs. Okay. So that they will be equipped with all the knowledge to take up the responsibility for the coming year.
Yes.
So that is the main idea behind it.
Yeah.
So as such, everybody is eligible to get enrolled in this diploma course.
Yes.
So for first batch, we are confining for only vice district governors.
Yes.
What
So
about
next
the
batch,
second batch, sir?
sir.
What about the second batch? On completion of first batch, we will start second batch.
So in the meantime, sir, we'll get the feedback from the participants, and we'll have one more interaction meeting like this. We'll have a review meeting, and we have to go for. We have to make the changes as prescribed, as desired by the candidates. We have to review the situation. So then we can go for second batch. After getting reviews from the first batch, we can start the second batch. I think that is my view.
Good. We'll go ahead, sir. We'll see you later.
Yes.
So how many days we require for syllables?
Sir?
How many days we need for making syllables?
We have to prepare the syllabus now. Already we have given subjects on that. You have to prepare the syllabus.
You mean to say by the time we assemble for the next meeting, we have to come prepare with the syllabus, right, sir?
Yes.
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 Otherwise, we can send the syllabus to Raju sir or Madhavan sir. If you prefer, once you prepare, you can send it to Raju sir for final checkup. Or CC to also Madhavan sir.
Vijay, your voice is not clear.
Vijay, your voice is not audible, sir.
Okay. Continue. Is it audible now?
It is audible very low. Your voice is very low. You are not clear.
Okay. Something.
Your face is very
And,
clear,
you know,
but your
once we
voice.
prepared- I think something wrong with my mobile. Anyway, once we prepared the, syllabus, can we send it to?
Not clear.
Viju sir, you can switch off your video. Your maybe network maybe maybe less. Oh, I think so. Yeah, now you can speak.
Once we finish our syllables, can we send it to our BD Raju sir for final checkup?
Yes, sir. That will send it. We'll send it, and individually we will discuss with Rajuji to finalize
Yes.
the syllabus individually.
Sir, let us prepare the syllabus and we'll discuss again on each subject. What are the syllabus you are covering? Suppose any faculty can add any other subject in that, any matter, if they can add. At least point wise, what are the points? In 5 class, first class what, second class what, third class what, and fifth, like that. For each class, what is the subject we are going to cover?
And after finalization, we will circulate in the group so that
Yes.
we can.
Then we select the faculty.
Yes, sir.
For each subject, then we select the faculty.
First syllabus will be made by the different the subject allotted to a different person. They will make the syllabus for different chapter.
That is why, sir, now we are these people, these leaders are preparing the syllabus.
Yes,
After preparing the syllabus, then we select the faculty.
yes. Yeah, but that syllabus is the paper.
Yes,
I
yes,
think so.
yes,
That
yes.
should be the
But
objective.
faculty may be university or our alliance leaders, all people will involve in the faculty.
Okay.
So
My
always.
my point is this: when syllabus is prepared from the out of that syllabus, there must be some objective type of the paper.
Yes, yes, that will be there.
Paper should be
Sir,
given to the participant. The
Sir,
participant who qualified, it should be come up for the faculty, for the teaching, for the training.
Sir, the first 5 hours will be seminar. We'll give lecture. Next 5 hours will be testing only, practical training.
Okay.
See, we are keeping 10 hours. 5 hours is lecture session. 5 hours is the interaction session. In that, the response we'll see. That is the evaluation in next 5 hours.
Okay. Okay, I understand now.
Yes, yes. Then only they know they will get. Otherwise, everybody will participate. If they listen, no use.
Yes, yes.
Suppose communication is there, you tell communication, one class. And after that, one class, practical class will be there. Every participant should speak, should improve their communication skills. Practical class also will be there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
We have to allocate more hours public speaking and communication. That is very important. We select, sir, good professors will be there and good faculty available everywhere. We can invite them so they can address from their house. We select very good faculty.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
JSS, there are good faculties, there are Lions, good faculties, there are everywhere. So many faculties are there. We bring them. Suppose always Tirupati Raju, Anu Metal, we speak now, our members know us. What I speak.
Different speakers are from the
Different
university.
speakers we have to invite.
From the university, we can take some professors.
We'll get, sir, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Our Rupendra sir is also very popular faculty in Nepal. Rupendra sir.
I apologize for not being actively participate since I'm outside my home. So I'm listening very well. So anything, Biju sir, I need to add?
No, no, sir. It's okay. I'm saying that you are also one of the most popular faculty of training. You know.
Yeah, thank you so much for your appreciation. Yeah, yeah, I will definitely design in the part of team building, and in some part that I can contribute in other contents like communications and the leadership, time management. I can assist on other topics also, but as individually, my commitment is to develop my contents on team building. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First, you prepare the syllabus, sir, team building.
Okay, okay, of course. So
Yes.
I'm very sorry to say I'm still outside my home and now I'm preparing to go back to my home. So I will be listening you all.
Yes, yes. No
Okay,
problem,
thank
sir.
you.
No
I'm
problem.
traveling.
Almost
Okay, thank you.
completed. First, we have to prepare the syllabus, and we'll
Yeah.
come back one more meeting after 1 week. I
Okay,
think.
thank you so much. I will be in touch with you all. Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
So for preparing our syllabus, how many time can you give me suggestions? 1 week, 2 weeks, 15 days? I think I can prepare my syllabus within.
Sir, we'll take 15 days of time so that everybody will be comfortable.
Within 15 days, we prepare the syllabus and program for the subject, sir. What is the first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class? What you take? And next, what is the training program, practical, maybe in between or after 5 classes, in each practical class, what is how you evaluate? But everything you have to decide for each hour the program. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, shall we close, sir, now, Madhavan?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir, okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think
Thank you,
Biju,
sir.
Biju.
Thank you
network is
all.
not good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anuj ji,
and
okay.
all.
Okay, good night, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Nice to meet you all.
Good night and wish you Happy New Year for all the members.
Happy New Year to all of you.
Thank you.
To all, to all.
Happy New Year.